Hello, this is Mr. Caldwell, and I'm going to show you how to log into Office from home on a computer. You might be sharing the computer with other siblings or someone else where you need to sign into Office. So the best thing to do is to get into a browser, go to office.com. And if there are multiple people that you need to choose from, make sure you choose your account. If your account hasn't been accessed yet on that computer, go to use another account. But here's mine, therefore I'm going to click on it. And now you have the ability to go ahead and put in the password. And when you do that, you can sign in. Now you have access to your online tools. You can also access OneDrive as well as email, and you can go to OneNote, Teams, and any other apps will be in the other apps section, such as Moodle and other ones as well. And that's just a quick review on how to get into and access your account via Office. Thanks.